We're going to replace this computer power supply fan. We really like these Noctua fans. They're really quiet, seem to be really good. Fan has a 4-wire. Inside it's going to be a 2-wire, but that'll be no problem. Pull the top off. Remove the screws and pull out the power supply. Pull off the top. Here's the 2-pin plug and the 80mm fan. We'll remove the fan. So we're untethered here. This fan's a little noisy, so the newer one will be quieter. Black and the yellow are the 12 volt, and the other 2 wires are for speed control, which we're not going to need. It up to 12 volts, you can see it spins, and you can hear it's very quiet. Do a little surgery. We'll take this plug off and put it on here. Solder black wire to black wire and yellow wire to red wire. All ready to put back in. Everything fits like a glove. Since the old fan does work, it's just noisy, I'll put it in for a rainy day. With everything on, this thing is really quiet. In fact, the only fan you can hear is the one on the CPU, because we replaced this one with the same company. We disconnected the CPU fan to see if that really is the loud noise that we're hearing, but boy, these fans are so quiet. The fans are working, we'll put it all back together.